If you're experiencing issues with Red Dead Redemption 2 updates getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing your connection on other devices or running a speed test. Step 2. Restart your console or PC. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve update issues. Turn off your console or PC completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, you can clear the cache by unplugging it from the power source for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear temporary files by using the disk cleanup tool. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. If the update is stuck, try pausing it and then resuming it. This can sometimes kickstart the download process and allow it to continue. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Red Dead Redemption 2. This will ensure that you have the latest version and can resolve any corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.